Hi guys, I want to talk about these cat water fountain filters that I got on Amazon. I was needing something for our cat filter that was going to keep the water fresh and just really kind of help keep the odors out and stuff like that. My dog also drinks out of it too, so there's a lot of stuff going around, and I just feel like without the filter it just gets really gross. So I wanted to show you the filter up close. It does come in a pack of 12 of these. And what I really like about these is that there is a 3-layer filtration system to these. So they're really grabbing all the gunk that gets built up in the waters. Think about all of the stuff that your pets are carrying to the water fountain. I know specifically for our dog, it's outside eating stuff all day long that it shouldn't have stuff in its mouth, and then it goes in and it contaminates the water, and our cat also drinks out of it too. So I'll just show you this. This is nice and curved. It's easy to install. This I replace every 2 to 4 weeks, and it just keeps your water nice and clean, filtered. It keeps the odors out, so your fungus and all that stuff is not getting in there. It's keeping your water clean so you can keep your pets safe and healthy as they drink their water. And so this is just an easy thing that you can add to it that will really guarantee that. So go get them if you have that cat water fountain that a lot of us love and use all the time. Your pets will love this.